Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be showing you another tutorial video of how to fix your Life360 on your iPhone. Let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is scroll down your notification bar or control menu from the top, drag it down, and then at the top corner you'll see your airplane mode sign. Turn it on for 10 to 15 seconds and turn it back off. So this may help you refresh your network connection and then open up your app and try to log in. So if it doesn't fix your issue, then the second method is open up your settings app, then go to the general option, tap in general. After you're in, search for the iPhone storage option, tap in the iPhone storage, then you can see apps here. So search Life360 or scroll it down to your app, open up Life360. After you're in, you're gonna see the offload app option there, so offload it. After it's done, you'll have the reinstall app option here, so reinstall it and then you're done. So go back to your app and open it. And if this also doesn't help, then what you can do is open up your app store, then search Life360 on your search bar at the top, Life360, then tap in Life360. So after you open it up, if there's an option of update here, you should update your app and that may help you to fix your issue. So this is how you can fix your Life360 app on your iPhone, and I hope this video helps you out, guys. Like down if it did and comment down below if you have any questions. So see you in the next video. Bye.